Come on this way. Come on. Y'all doing alright? Hey! Hush! That's the light, you dummy. You seen all you seen was a bunch of shadows of chickens. And you got scary. Come on. Come on. Pee-pee poo-poo, you wanna go outside? 12 o'clock. Ah, you god dang, man! What are you such a little scaredy cat about? That's your own shadow, man. God dang, you got freaking scaredy. Oh my god, that's a little twirly thing. Man, you're freaking out, homegirl. Act like you never been over here and stuff. What the heck is wrong with you, man? This is her second heat. She acting a little weird. She acting a little weirdo. We come over here to check our flock. What's up, Clyde? Everything going good? What's up with y'all guys? Players, and some pimps. Player and some pimps. Bug central around here. Y'all better be eating the bugs. Y'all got some water? Hell no, y'all ain't got no water. Alright, I'll bring you some water. What about y'all? You got water still? Oh, I didn't look at their bucket. What's up, players? What's up, Machiavellis? God damn, how many chickens you got up in there? What the hell kind of mosquito is that? God damn, that thing bit the shit out of me. Get away from me. What? You need some water, homie? Y'all got full water over there. Right there in that basket. But y'all probably don't know how to use it. Get down. Come on. Let's see what their water looks like. They got not that much. Come on, let's go. You pee-pee poo-poo. Drop some doo-doo. I'm gonna get you some water, you sick-sounding rooster. That boy sounding sad. It ain't nothing, look. Come here. It ain't nothing. Look. It ain't gonna hurt you. It ain't gonna hurt you. I wish I could see what I see. I see a big old baby. It ain't gonna hurt you. It's probably weird to her eyes. She sees the reflection. Yeah, I got water. I can't tell. It's in that bucket. Come on. It's been raining its ass off. Did you use the restroom yet? Pee-pee poo-poo. Oh, they got plenty of water still. But they don't have much. Oh, yeah, they got feed still, too. Man, y'all lazy chickens. Come on. Drop some duty, pee-pee poo-poo. Every morning, every day, when you go tinkle, tinkle, when you wait. Pee-pee poo-poo, drop some duty. What the hell are you doing, man? Oh, you're breaking my damn hammock is what it's doing. Look at that shit. What the hell's going on over there? Alright, come on. No, don't eat the chicken's food, you freak. That's it, you're going up. You had to go pee, you said. Pee-pee poo-poo. Leave the peanut butter alone, that's for good dogs. That's for good dogs. Damn wind done blown everything everywhere. Drop some pee-pee pooty, drop some duty-woody. Pee-pee, oh pee-pee poo-poo. I got some doo-doo every morning, every morning, every day. Clyde, hush. OG, what up, player? OG ain't making a bunch of noise. Come on. You said you had to go to the restroom. You lied to me, girl. You lied to me, girl. Pee-pee poo-poo. Come on. Pee-pee poo-poo. Come on now, Petey Pooty. There you go, you picky peer. Why are you such a picky peer? Let's go, man. I'm ready to go inside, homie. I gotta get up in 6 hours. Peace.